Hello, friends. How has your weekend been? Hope you made some money last week. And how are you doing? This is your friend Home for Roses. Trying to take a look at the market to see what the next week will likely be. Like I said before, it has been a very busy season for me, but just trying to make out time to do my analysis and check the market and see what's going on there. And probably after this week, we just have to keep calm and keep studying while we wait for the new year to start up. All right, last week if you watched the previous analysis last week, we said we are looking at price drawing to this zone, which is a liquidity pull zone on the monthly time frame. If price was meant to continue to go up, we mapped out those area by using taking a look at it. That was last week candle. So this week we have seen this if it's a prophecy fulfilled. Price has reached that zone on the monthly time frame. Yes, it might likely still move up the way it's looking. Price might likely still move up. And if price is going to move up, where next could price get to on the upside? This is the next area we are looking at price to get to, and that's also a zone in the monthly. If we take a look at it, let's bring it closer. Yeah, this is it. The first one was here, the second zone should be here. Then if price decided to move a little bit down, no, price doesn't just go up all the way, it have to pull back for it to continue to go higher. On the daily time frame, we have a fair value gap here. Okay, let me take out all um, the lines and the charts. This is the daily. We can see that price got to the zone in the monthly. This is where we are, which on the forehead, you can see that price is still on that area consolidating. So on the daily, if we take a look on the daily, we can see there is a gap here which price might likely return to, and price might probably go a little bit up, seeking the other area of interest. But if it's coming back, we have to watch this zone. So let's put back our chart and see. These are the area that I mapped out where price might likely. We have taken out this high on the daily, so we are taking it off. The next area should be here. Maybe continue to go up. If we drop on the 4H time frame, which is this, we've taken out liquidity here, and price is see how price is reacting to this area. Like we said, those are the area to watch out. Once price go to those zones, it will react to that area before taking another move. Are we likely to continue to go up? Are we likely to come down? Yes, we're likely to come down. I'm watching those area to see what price will do before we continue to go up. But I believe that price would definitely draw a little bit down before it continue to go up, because the area which price reacted to is a major area. Monthly is a high time frame zone, but the month hasn't ended, so the likelihood of it continue to go up is still very likely. So this is it for the British pound. JPY, we have to watch this area and see price giving us the reason to buy more, or watch this area to see if price giving us a reason to drop down more. Just keep your eyes on this area this week. Let's see what it goes. But British pound, this is the season for it. Using the seasonal tendency is supposed to be more of bullish. So let's watch out and see what this area holds for us. So we moved up to British pound USD. Let's take away all the charts. This is it. On the monthly, this is what we are looking at price to react to the order block. We see that we still have some space, and then there's also a gap. If you watch very well, that the price is seeking, there is a gap here that price is seeking to tap into, and also the order block that price is seeking to reach for on the monthly time frame. So if we add back all our lines, okay, let's drop to the weekly time frame also and see this is what the week has done. So price is, if we add back our lines, let's see what happens. Sorry, it become too, oh, This is the area we are looking at price to get to, but price got to a zone on the daily to cut liquidity. This is it. To cut liquidity, so likelihood of it dropping a little bit down before it will continue to go up. But how far will it drop? Just have to watch on the levels. Maybe it's the place it is right now shows probably it might likely to go up, but if it's going to come down a little bit, let's watch on this zone and see what happens. So we watch on this area. If price is likely to drop more, it might get to this zone. Then maybe continue to go up. If not, it might turn around here and continue to go up. This was the previous week review, which I didn't actually carried out. So that was a trade for last week, the trade opportunity for last week and last 2 weeks. But here we are looking at watching at this area to see what price will give us. It might drop to this zone, which is an order block on the daily. It might not get to that area again if we use the Fibonacci retracement to draw this line. Okay, we can see that price is at the 62%. So if it drop more, it will be the on the 79, which is here percent. So it still has room to drop or to continue to go up. So we watch and see as the market open for the coming week to see the areas and the zone. But this is the likelihood of the next targets of the market if it continue to go up. On legs here, we show us exactly what will happen as the market resume, because we've taken out liquidity on the daily time frame, but our target is monthly and weekly. We watch the monthly because using the seasonal tendency, it is a bullish season for British pound. Then but price doesn't go up at once. It goes up, it will come down, and it will continue its way. So let's see how this goes. But watch these areas to see how price will react to them, and these areas to see how price will react to them. Remember, where you are selling or where you are trying to exit the market, someone else is shorting in that particular position. So whether you buy or sell, you are right in the market, but just make sure you do them at the right zone. These are the zones that I mapped out for you to look out and see how trade react to them, to see if you could take a trade from them. I wish you all the best, and I wish you a beautiful Christmas season, and then make out time for your family and enjoy the rest of your Christmas. Thank you once again.